DJI have entered the chat again with a brand new 360-degree camera. It's their first time trialing a 360-degree camera, and it's in the form of the Osmo 360. You can see the gorgeous design there on the front, and I have got the Adventure Combo. So that comes with a battery case, it comes with 3 batteries, and the invisible selfie stick. Now, branding and packaging, as always, is very clean on these boxes, and if we just flip it over and have a look here, we can see what we can expect from the unit. So there's a bunch going on here by the looks of it. It's a 1-inch 360-degree imaging sensor, 8K native, 10-bit, and D-Log-M. We've also got 120 megapixel 360-degree photos, which is cool. The magnetic quick release, 100 minutes of recording in 8K 30 frames per second. We've got 4K up to 120 frames per second. And we've got the Osmo audio, so we can connect it up with the Mic Mini and Mic 2 at this point. Really, really keen to test this out and see how it all works and what we can expect. So let's get this packaging out of the way. And we're just going to remove that little tab that they always have. Okay, let's have a look at how this is all packaged. It's going to let me get in. There we go. Beautiful. Here we go. So, I can see we've got the Osmo 360 and we've got the accessories. Let's jump straight into the camera. I normally start off with accessories, but I want to see this camera. I want to see what we can expect from this unit. So that's it. That is the only thing we get in that kit. Oh, it's very, very lightweight. Extremely lightweight. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Let's take this off. So this is the release door here. So that's where we put the battery in there. You can see there is a micro SD slot as well for additional storage. Oh yes, love that. Huge, huge sensor. Another huge sensor. Very clean branding. It looks like there's a light there. Some little cutouts for microphones by the looks of it. Very clean, just DJI branding. On this side, we've got another release door and a power button. So let's just take this off if I can get it. It's got a very interesting textured design, actually, the camera itself. You can kind of see it if you come in close. Let me get that focus. Really nice texture. So we've got a power button. We've got some more little vents here, whether that's speakers or microphone. I actually don't know just yet, because we've got a few little vents here as well. This here, if I release this, this reveals a USB-C port. On the base, we've got a 1/4-inch screw, which is really, really nice. So you can either use the 1/4-inch screw or the magnetic quick release. Very, very clean stuff. And then on this side, we've just got 2 buttons. I'm guessing, oh no, the power button's here. Let's just power it on, see if it's got any power. Oh, I've got no battery in there. Oh, well, that's not going to work. So we've got the two icons on the front, a circle and a square, so that will be how you navigate the menus, a power button, and then the 2 lenses. So let's get a battery in there, and let's see a little bit more as we get into it. So here is the accessory kit here, and then we've also got the selfie pole, which they refer to as a 1.2 meter invisible selfie stick. So let's have a look at this, because this is definitely going to be something I will be using a lot of. Let's just get all these stickers off, get them out of the way. There we go, so that's the selfie stick. Very clean Osmo branding, nice textured grip, and then that just extends out to 1.2 meters, which is hard to show here, but you can see it's a very long stick, nice and smooth, but also quite secure. There's a bit of friction as you're locking it into its position, that it won't move too much, so that's really nice. So that's the selfie stick. Let me just move everything else out of the way. So there we go, that's the camera, that's the selfie stick. And in here we have got the accessories. So this is where we're going to see the pouch and batteries and all sorts of other things with the paperwork. So let's get in here and see what else we get. So here's some paperwork. We won't get into that. There's just some stickers and some additional paperwork in there. So that can just sit off to the side. This here is going to be maybe the cover, actually. The protective cover for the lens. Yeah, there we go. So again, really, really clean, simple branding. Just says Osmo on top. It's a nice silicone feel to it. This is just going to stretch over the top of the camera like so. That just slots in and that just protects both lenses. Makes it a little easier for transport. Nice clean look to that. Then we've got a little pouch here. So again, great for travel and transporting this little unit. I'm really impressed with how lightweight it is, to be honest. How lightweight that camera is. Really, really impressive stuff. Alright, here we go. So simple, clean DJI. We have then got a little pouch, which is very nice. And in here we've got a USB-C to USB-C. We have got we've got a microfiber cloth in here as well, just to clean the lens. Camera's just going to slot in there nicely. As you can see, I don't know whether we can leave it with that cover on, but we will see as we get into it. So simple little branded pouch, and then we've got the magnetic quick release plate here, which looks similar to previous ones. Oh yeah, it's got a 1/4 inch base, and that just screws in to that guy there, but also means that you can put it on a tripod very easily. And so this is just going to be the magnetic connection plate. So it clips into place, and then there's, well, actually magnetically connects, and then there's 2 clips either side just to secure it just a little bit more. There we go. So that's nice and secure in there. Really, really nice aesthetic to that. And then we've got the battery pack. And so this looks similar to the Osmo Action 5 Pro. I don't know, I think it actually might be the same system, same battery system. So let's get in here, slot this into place, clip it in, which is very, very easy, like so. And now we've got the power button. They might not have any juice, these batteries. Oh no, here we go. So it's initiating, it just says Osmo, and then we've got the language. We can see a nice green light. And yeah, this is what we can expect from the Osmo 360. I cannot wait to test this guy out, but a great kit actually. You get a lot with this unboxing experience.